Artificial intelligence is changing the job market faster than most people expected. In 2026, AI is no longer just a tool for tech companies. It is being used in offices, hospitals, schools, call centers, marketing departments, banks, law firms, and small businesses. But AI will not affect every job in the same way. Some jobs will become easier. Some will become more productive. Some will require completely new skills. And some roles may shrink because AI can now do parts of the work faster and cheaper. The important thing to understand is this: AI usually does not replace an entire job overnight. It replaces tasks inside the job. So the question is not only, will AI take my job? A better question is, which parts of my job can AI do, and how can I stay valuable? In this video, we will look at 5 jobs AI will change the most in 2026, why they are being affected, and what workers can do to adapt. 1. Customer service representatives. The first job AI will change heavily is customer service. For years, customer service has depended on people answering the same questions again and again. Where is my order? How do I reset my password? Can I change my delivery address? What is your refund policy? These are exactly the kinds of tasks AI is good at. AI chatbots can now answer common customer questions instantly, 24 hours a day. They can search company policies, check order details, summarize customer problems, and even suggest replies for human agents. This means many basic support requests may no longer need a person. But that does not mean customer service workers disappear completely. Instead, the role is changing. Human agents will spend less time on simple questions and more time on complicated, emotional, or unusual problems. For example, if a customer is angry, confused, or dealing with a serious issue, a human still matters. People want empathy. They want judgment. They want someone who understands the situation. So in 2026, the best customer service workers will not just answer scripts. They will manage difficult conversations, solve complex problems, and use AI tools to respond faster. The job is moving from basic answering to higher-level problem solving. The key skill for customer service workers will be learning how to work with AI systems, check AI-generated replies, and add a human touch where it matters. 2. Content writers and marketers. The second job AI will change is content writing and marketing. This is already happening. AI tools can write blog posts, social media captions, product descriptions, email campaigns, video scripts, ad headlines, and sales copy. They can also generate images, create voiceovers, edit videos, and turn one piece of content into many different formats. For companies, this is powerful. A small marketing team can now produce more content in less time. A business owner can create ads without hiring a full agency. A YouTuber can use AI to create scripts, thumbnails, descriptions, and short clips. But there is a problem. AI can produce content quickly, but not all AI content is good. A lot of it sounds generic. A lot of it repeats the same ideas. And sometimes it gets facts wrong. That is why human creativity still matters. In 2026, average content writers who only produce basic, generic text may face pressure. But strong writers, editors, strategists, and marketers can become more valuable if they use AI well. The job is shifting from create everything from scratch to guide, edit, improve, and direct content. A marketer may use AI to generate 20 ideas, then choose the best 3. A writer may use AI for a first draft, then add research, examples, emotion, and brand voice. A video creator may use AI to speed up production, but still decide the hook, structure, pacing, and message. The future of marketing belongs to people who understand both creativity and AI. The most valuable skill will not be simply writing words. It will be knowing what message works, what audience wants, and how to make content feel human. 3. Software developers. The third job AI will change is software development. This one surprises some people because software development is a highly skilled career. But AI coding tools have become very powerful. They can write code, explain code, find bugs, generate tests, create documentation, and help developers understand unfamiliar systems. A developer can now describe what they want in plain English, and AI can create a starting version of the code. This can save hours. But it also changes what companies expect from developers. In the past, a lot of programming time was spent writing routine code. Now AI can help with many of those repetitive tasks. That means developers may be expected to move faster, build more, and focus on higher-level work. But AI does not remove the need for developers. Software is not just typing code. A good developer understands architecture, security, databases, user experience, performance, business needs, and long-term maintenance. AI can generate code that looks correct but still has hidden problems. It may misunderstand requirements. It may create security risks. It may use outdated patterns. It may solve the wrong problem. So human developers are still needed to review, test, design, and make decisions. In 2026, the developer's job becomes less about writing every line manually and more about directing AI, reviewing output, and solving complex engineering problems. Junior developers may be affected the most because AI can do many beginner-level coding tasks. So new developers will need to learn faster and build real problem-solving skills. The best developers will be the ones who know how to combine coding knowledge with AI tools. AI will not make software development disappear. But it will raise the standard for what a productive developer can do. 4. Administrative and office assistants. The fourth job AI will change is administrative and office support. Many office jobs involve organizing information, scheduling meetings, writing emails, preparing documents, taking meeting notes, creating reports, updating spreadsheets, managing tasks. AI is becoming very good at this kind of work. It can summarize long emails, turn meetings into action items, create calendar invites, draft professional messages, organize documents, and extract important details from files. This means many routine admin tasks can be automated or completed much faster. For companies, that can reduce costs and save time. For workers, it means the role of an assistant is changing. Instead of simply handling routine tasks, administrative workers may need to become workflow managers. They may be expected to manage tools, coordinate people, check AI-generated documents, and make sure information moves correctly across the business. The value of the role moves from typing and scheduling to organization, judgment, confidentiality, and problem solving. For example, AI might create a meeting summary. But a human assistant still needs to know which action items matter, who should receive the information, and what needs follow-up. AI might draft an email. But a human still needs to decide if the tone is right. AI might organize a schedule. But a human understands priorities, relationships, and context. In 2026, administrative workers who only do repetitive tasks may face pressure. But those who learn AI tools and become excellent coordinators can remain very important. 5. Data analysts and financial analysts. The fifth job AI will change is data and financial analysis. Many businesses depend on analysts to understand numbers. They look at sales, costs, customer behavior, market trends, budgets, investments, and performance reports. AI is making this work faster. Instead of manually searching through spreadsheets, a worker can ask AI, "What changed this month? Why did revenue drop? Which product is growing fastest?" What are the biggest risks? Can you summarize this report? AI can find patterns, create charts, explain trends, and generate first drafts of reports. This is useful because many companies have more data than humans can easily review. But again, AI does not remove the need for analysts. Numbers need context. A chart can show that sales dropped, but it may not explain why. Was it because of pricing, marketing, seasonality, a competitor, a supply problem, a change in customer behavior? Human analysts are needed to ask better questions, challenge assumptions, and explain what the numbers actually mean for the business. In finance, this is even more important. Bad analysis can lead to bad decisions. AI may help prepare reports, but humans still need to check accuracy, understand risk, and make responsible recommendations. In 2026, analysts who only create basic reports may be under pressure. But analysts who can combine AI tools with business judgment will be highly valuable. The job is moving from prepare the data to explain the decision. What these jobs have in common: these 5 jobs are different, but they have something in common. They all include tasks that are digital, repetitive, language-based, or data-heavy. That is exactly where AI is strongest. AI can write. AI can summarize. AI can search. AI can organize. AI can analyze. AI can generate first drafts. So if a job includes a lot of repeatable computer work, AI will probably change it. But this does not mean the future is hopeless. It means workers need to move up the value chain. Instead of only producing basic output, workers need to become better at judgment, strategy, communication, creativity, and problem solving. AI can create a draft. But humans decide if it is good. AI can answer a question. But humans decide if the answer is useful. AI can analyze data. But humans decide what action to take. The workers who adapt will use AI as leverage. The workers who ignore it may fall behind. How to protect your career? So what can you do if your job is on this list? First, do not panic. AI changing your job does not automatically mean your job disappears. But you should start learning now. Begin by using AI tools for small tasks. Use AI to summarize documents. Use it to draft emails. Use it to brainstorm ideas. Use it to analyze simple data. Use it to improve your workflow. Second, learn the limits of AI. Do not trust every answer blindly. Check facts. Review outputs. Compare sources. Use your own judgment. Third, build skills AI cannot easily replace. Communication. Leadership. Emotional intelligence. Creativity. Industry knowledge. Problem solving. Fourth, become the person who knows how to use AI inside your team. In many workplaces, managers do not fully understand these tools yet. If you can show how AI saves time, improves quality, or reduces repetitive work, you become more valuable. The future belongs to people who can work with AI, not people who pretend it does not exist. Conclusion: AI will change many jobs in 2026, but these 5 are among the most affected: customer service representatives, content writers and marketers, software developers, administrative and office assistants, and data or financial analysts. In each case, AI is not just replacing people. It is changing the tasks, the skills, and the expectations. The safest workers will not be the ones who avoid AI. They will be the ones who learn how to use it wisely. Because in the future job market, the biggest competition may not be AI itself. It may be another person using AI better than you. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more videos about AI, technology, careers, and the future of work. Thanks for watching.